It was yesterday that Vadim Shishamarin pleaded guilty, but only today that he asked for forgiveness. He did so saying, "I know that you won't be able to forgive me." And he has been pretty clear in saying that he admits full responsibility for killing this unarmed 62-year-old civilian in a village in northern Ukraine. But the prosecutors wanted to hear other witnesses, including the widow of the man who was killed. And she actually, talking to journalists, expressed a view that she thought that Vadim Shishamarin should either get life imprisonment or be exchanged against a Ukrainian prisoner of war. Of course, everybody in Ukraine at the moment is thinking about the fate of the Ukrainian soldiers who have left the Azov steel plant in Mariupol, but who are now in Russian-controlled territory, and apparently some of them actually in Russia proper. And there was also a Russian soldier who appeared before the court, who was questioned by the prosecution lawyers, and he essentially confirmed Vadim Shishamarin's account, in which he accepted full responsibility by saying that no, there was not an order to shoot civilians that came from somebody higher ranking who was also in the stolen car with these Russian soldiers at the time of the events. Earlier, there was some speculation that Shishamarin's defense might try to be along the lines of he was only following orders, but clearly he hasn't opted for that. The strategy he appears to have opted for is to hope for a more lenient sentence by cooperating fully with the court and accepting his guilt and accepting responsibility and asking for forgiveness. And prosecution lawyers did say that that might lead to greater leniency, because one of the things that they're hoping to achieve with this court case is to show the world and Russians, if any of them are possibly watching, that Russian soldiers in Ukraine, no matter what they're accused of, can expect to get a fair trial and for all due procedures to be respected fully.